Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with the browser or app open. Make sure the page is visible and active. First, press Ctrl++ to increase zoom or Ctrl+- to decrease. These keyboard shortcuts change the page scale quickly. Use Ctrl+0 to reset to 100% when you want a standard baseline. Once done, check the address bar or menu where the zoom percentage often displays, so you know the exact scale and avoid unpredictable layouts. Next, dive into the menu to refine zoom behavior. Click the three dots or hamburger icon and find zoom controls or settings. You can pick preset steps like 110% or 125%, or hold Ctrl and roll the mouse wheel for finer adjustments. For consistent layout, make sure page zoom applies versus only text zoom. If you need larger text without reflowing images, enable text-only zoom in accessibility. This prevents content overlap and keeps navigation predictable. Finally, lock your preferred zoom by saving it in browser settings or using per site zoom so you get the same view each visit. If a page layout breaks or elements overlap, reset to 100% and then try text-only zoom to preserve layout. If problems persist, clear the browser cache and disable extensions that may inject CSS or override zoom. This often fixes stubborn rendering issues. One key troubleshooting tip: try an incognito window to isolate extension interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.